Welcome to GSL GM City 1720, Bow Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This beautiful Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Trail Boss here, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, automatic dial for your trailer mode and different driving modes, push button 4x4, fog lamps, in-bed lighting, power electronic parking brake, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, black bow tie and audio controls there. 5 kilometers on the truck, brand new. Column shifter with push-button ignition. We have a large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot. Dual-zone climate control with heated front seats. Integrated trailer braking system, USB ports, as well as even an outlet. Up front here, all black interior, dual glove box with locking bottom. Z71 floor liners as well up front here. Bose audio speakers. And we got the beautiful black leather heated seats up front of the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Chevrolet Trail Boss here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package. Beautiful all black rims with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. Blacked out door handles, window trim, and mirror caps with the Z71 Trail Boss LT. 2-inch factory lift kit up front, giving you that larger stance. LED daytime running lamps, blacked out grille, blacked out bow tie. Parking sensors, fog lights, and the red tow hooks. You have 6.2-liter on the hood, Z71 on the front fender. Rear tinted privacy windows, remote start as well installed on the truck. Coming to the rear here, LED tail lamps, blacked out bumper, parking sensors, trailer tow hitch, and your easy open and close GM tailgate. Looking at the interior again here, our second row, a leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready. We have the in-seat storage feature as well as that 60/40 split. Allows you to fold up those seats, giving you the under-seat storage. We do have a rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting. We do have USB charging ports as well as the floor liners. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Trail Boss. If this is your next V8 crew cab factory lifted pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City. Shop online at gslgmcity.com.